This video is to introduce our new line of 3D puzzles and to show you how to assemble the Empire State Building. Inside this package you will find a plastic sleeve with the contents to build the building. Take it apart and find the instruction sheet inside. The key to assembly is finding the part number for the first piece on the instruction form and then pushing that piece out one part at a time and assembling per the assembly instructions.
Okay. Now that you get the piece in the hand, you should pretty much go according to what the diagram says. Now I have piece 1 in my hand, but the problem is you have to look very closely because there are little pieces here that you need to take out. Okay, you could use either a small key, anything small enough to take the pieces out. I'm just using a regular screwdriver. Carefully poke out each one by one. Pieces with all the holes punched out, and pretty much you want to go ahead and find the next corresponding piece that'll pretty much make it easy for you. In this case, it would be number 15, which is here. Just go ahead and pull that out, and you're gonna pretty much repeat the process I did in the first one. And now we have all the pieces for the first section of the tower. Now what you want to do is try to align them up how they are in the instruction sheet. So you want to go ahead and first part. Putting all the pieces inside. Make sure all the little pieces go in together. They fit into one another. Have the first piece. You can see we finished the first section, and if you look closely, you know, pretty much looks exactly the same. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start on our second phase of the first step, and the first thing we should do is locate two of the biggest pieces, which should be number 19, which is here. And once you put everything through, you pretty much have the top piece of the Empire State Building already pretty much done. Now what we're going to do now is move on to step B of our instructions. Now on the midsection, which is part B, it gets a little bit more complicated because you have all these weird geometrical shapes that all look alike, but they're sort of different in some sort of way. So we're going to start with number 27. You want to fold the sides a little bit, not too much because they can easily rip. So what you want to do is just place one gently in. If I can get it in. There you go. Fold it over. Fold back. And you have a window decoration. And you want to repeat the step for the second one. And fold it. There you go. And you want to repeat the steps for all 4 sides. Alright, now through the magic of video editing, we have all 4 pieces pretty much constructed. Now what we want to do is stack them on top of one another. We're going to get the bases already done. Here is sort of our midsection. So what you want to do is just put that on top, secure it. Now you have the bottom part. You want to take the top part, do the same. You still want to make sure that these pieces fit into one another. That part now. Third part pretty much just goes on top. Okay, so now you have pretty much the top pieces. This piece is piece 30 and piece 31. Now what you want to do is start off with piece 31, have it in your hand, and take the tip, which is pretty much piece 44, and just gently slide all the pieces and the top piece. The top piece, put it gently into four corners. And the top piece now. What you want to do is just slide on the extra decorations. Voila, it's done.
So here you have the finished product of the Empire State Building now fully assembled for your enjoyment. Thank you.